Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today topic is definition of relations from functions. Let's start now. Relation. Okay, definition is relation. If A and B are non-empty sets, these two are non-empty set, not empty sets, non-empty sets, then any subset of A cross B is called a relation from A to B. A cross B. A is domain, B is codomain. We will discuss these two definitions then after. Okay, A to B. If A and B are non-empty sets, then any subset of A cross B is called a relation from A to B. In particular, any relation A to A is called a binary relation on A to A. Okay, here A to B. In this particular relation, A to A is called a binary relation on capital A. Now example, if A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, B is equal to alpha comma beta, then A cross B is equal to 1 alpha 1 beta, 2 alpha 2 beta, 3 alpha 3 beta. This is A cross B. Okay, now first one, F is equal to 1 alpha comma 2 beta comma 3 alpha is a relation from A to B. F is a subset of A cross B. Here relation from A to B. Now second one, G is equal to 1 alpha 1 beta is a relation from A to B. Is a relation from A to B. Okay, that's enough. Next definition, function. Okay, let A and B be non-empty sets. These two are non-empty sets, and F be a relation. F be a relation from A to B. Okay, let A and B are non-empty sets and F be a relation from A to B. If for each element small a belongs to capital A. Okay, small a belongs to capital A, there exists a unique element B belongs to B. A belongs to A, then there exists a unique element B belongs to B, such that A comma B belongs to F. Okay, Cartesian product, this is A comma B belongs to F. Then F is called a function from A to B. F is called a function from A to B. Okay, it is denoted by F mapping A to B. The function F mapping, this is mapping, F mapping A to B. The set A is called domain of F. A is called domain of F and B is called codomain of F. A is called domain of F, B is called codomain. A is domain, B is codomain. That's enough. Now next definition, image, pre-image. If F mapping A to B is a function, F mapping A to B is a function, and if F of A is equal to B, small a belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B. Okay, sir, capital B. Then B is called the image of A. B is called the image of A under F, or F image of A. B is called the F image of A. Okay, the element A is called a pre-image or inverse image of B. Pre-image, inverse image, both are same. A is called the pre-image of B. B is called the image of small a. Okay. Under F, it is denoted as F. It is denoted by F inverse of B. Therefore, A is equal to F inverse of B. That's enough. Next definition, range. If F mapping A to B is a function, then F of A, the set of F of A, all elements in A, the images of all elements in A having in B. Okay, the set of all F images of elements in A is called the range of F. Okay, images all belongs to B. Okay, clearly F of A is equal F of A subset of A belongs to A, F of A such that A belongs to A, subset of B, subset of means F of A is equal to B, F of A is subset B. Okay, also F of A is equal B belongs to B such that B is equal to F of A for some A belongs to A. Okay, all images belongs to B, that is called range. That's enough. Now next definition, injection or one-one function. A function F mapping A to B is called an injection if distinct elements of A, ante different elements of A having different distinct images in B. Okay, distinct elements of A have distinct F images in B, an injection. It is called also one-one function. Different elements having different images in B, different elements in A having different images in B. It is called injection or one-one function. One example, let A is equal to A, B, C, D and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now first one, if F is equal to A3, B5, C1, D4. Okay. A, set B. This is domain, this is codomain. A, B, C, D, domain elements. Codomain elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A3, B5, C1, D4. Domain different elements, domain having different elements. These 4 different elements having different images. One image is 3, B image is 5, C image is 1, D image is 4. Different elements having different images in B. This is one-one function, F mapping. So F mapping A to B is an injection. Okay. Now second one, G is equal to A2, B2, C3, D5. Okay, relation between A and domain and codomain. Okay, G of A is equal to 2, G of B is equal to 2. A comma B are same image. A comma B having same image. Okay, yeah, so G maps to G mapping A to B is not an injection. One-one function definition is different elements having different images. Okay, so this is not an injection. That's enough. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, click on like button. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.